Yo, it's your boy, SjavasDaDeejay, mfana kupheli, yabona, Bayazi. Afraid it was going down that day. We were at a camp with Mellow and Sleazy, Cowboii, Mapuma, Ali Make Crazy. The inspiration behind the song, I remember the video started around 2 a.m. Yeah. Vyno Keys was the one who was like, boy, let's span, because you see other guys, they were like, playing FIFA. Went in, made the beat. Then Cowboii came in and he was like, yo bro, this beat is fire, let me hop on. So yeah, my favorite part is the bass line. The bass line takes it for me because it's a infusion of classic house and like Amapiano. So if you listen to most of the elements of the song, also the bass line is from like some song from back there. We're out here in Asource trying to break down Bayazi. This is the percussion. I started off with the shaker, do shaker, added a loop called 626 loop, as well as kick, percussions, a bit of drum roll here and there, skeleton percussion loop. So this is the bass line. I used the Morphine bass smooth, and this is how it goes. So going forward, we have the main bass line, which is a lock drum, also beat doubly from Harmless. Here we have a special lock drum. As you can see, pizza bass, just be lock, Vilakazi, 808 logo. So yeah, this is how it goes. So here we have an organ. I use Purity, clean fast organ. So this is how Bayazi was made, but for two. Most elements here, like they mostly from Omnisphere, Purity. So yeah, production tips on my side, but for two. Like try by all means to come up with your own sound. When you're unique, you stand out. It always takes time, obviously, but at the end of the day, your dream will come true. So just put in the work, push your spine.